All right, problem 6.2.33. Cassie is financing a $2,400 treadmill. She's going to use a credit card for the purchase. Her card charges 17.5% interest compounded monthly, so that's 12 times a year. She's not required to make a minimum monthly payment. She's not required to. Okay, so how much will Cassie pay in interest if she wants a full year before paying the balance? How much will she pay in interest if she waits a full year and then pays the total amount? So if we go, what's the 2,400? And then what's my multiplier here? Remember, you go 1 plus your rate. What was my rate again in this problem? 0.17, 17%, add that extra 5. Compounding monthly, so divide that by a 12. And then raise it to the power of 12 times the 1 year, right? So it said you were gonna, and so if I do that, I'm just gonna grab my calculator on this one to do that. 2,400 in parentheses, 1 plus 0.175 divided by 12. Close my parentheses to the power of 12 months. I've got 2,855.38, and it says how much will she pay in interest? So then that's the total bill. Subtract off the 2,400. And so I'm getting like 455.38. That was marked red. Mark round to the nearest cent. How much will Cassie pay in interest if she waits a full year before paying the full balance? I have to look at that, but that sure looks and seemed like everything we just did was correct there. Let's go to B. How much additional interest will Cassie pay if she waits 2 full years to pay? So this would be the 2,400, 1 plus still the 0.175 over the 12, and then 2 times 24. That would give us our total for that one. So for there, I'm getting 3397.164787. So if you did that, and you subtract away the original 2,400, so you get that it was 997.164787.4. That was just the interest. And the question said, how much additional interest? So this 9997, take off the 455 number. And that's where this 541.78 came from. So then the last one, if both answers represent a single year of interest, why is the answer in part B greater than the answer? Well, she's paying interest on this interest up here. The interest has compounded more times at the end of the first year, not more. The interest compounds continuously, it's not continuous. The interest has compounded more times by the end of the second year. That seems reasonable. And the interest rate changes no. So this one, because you've actually done 24 periods where the other one was only 12.